Beautiful people, it's your girl Kody here, and we're back with another video. This is our first face-to-face video with each other, and as you can see, I'm in the kitchen, so we're going to cook some food. This is our first episode of Cook with Kody for 2021. If it's your first time being here, this is Kody Kodez, where we talk about the code of cooking, the code of marriage, challenges, fun, and just the code of life in general. So come, we can cook some food. Okay guys, so today we're going to be making some honey mustard glazed chicken. We have our chicken here, and we're pre-seasoned chicken. We have some sweet corn because we're going to be making some sweet corn, and then we have some potatoes because we're making some mashed potatoes, and these potatoes are fresh from the farm. So these are the seasonings that I'll typically use to season my chicken. This specific one though, guys, listen, your girl don't put the right thing on the buckle. So right now this is a seasoned salt, but really and truly it is actually seasoned to the bone or sweet to the bone. You can find us in your supermarket. We have the Sazon Tropical, which is like bomb.com. Okay guys, so I am going to be dealing with the chicken now. The chicken was initially in the refrigerator. I usually season my chicken before I put it in the fridge, so I am going to dry the chicken before I start baking them. I'm just drying the chicken at this point. I wanted to ensure that I got out all the moisture so that our chicken can be nice and crispy on the outside and soft and tender on the inside, because girl, chicken for nice don't. All right, so the chicken is dried and we're going to add our seasoning. So we're going to preheat the oven first to 400 degrees, and then we'll add in our seasoning. We're adding in some Sazon because Sazon is bomb. Okay, we're adding in some sweet to the bone and some seasoning to the bone, and I don't necessarily add salt because these seasoning already have salt. Then I added in some sugar, and then I added in some island spice seasoning. So if you didn't season your chicken overnight, don't worry, just use this seasoning on it initially, leave it for like 15 minutes, and then your chicken is good to go. Sugar, this is because the sugar helps to caramelize the top of that chicken, and it just tastes awesome. Okay, you want to get under the skin, and you want to ensure that you do the back of the chicken. Don't forget the back, all right, because all your chicken for season and it needs to taste nice. So I'm just adding in some extra seasoning right here, and you're going to put your hand in it, because if your hand not in your chicken, it don't taste good, and that is just me. That's what I think. Okay, we're gonna leave the leftovers because we're going to use it later. You're gonna add some oil on there to just give the chicken some room to like give it that frying effect on the skin. Listen, I'm not a chef, but I just know how to do the little things same, right? I know how to do the do. Then we're going to put our chicken in the oven. Remember, we are baking our chicken at 400 degrees, so we drop our chicken them in the oven, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to set our timer for an hour, and then we'll go and make the sauce. By this time, Mom was in the background making some banana bread, and you don't know the thing said, like there's no Sunday dinner without desserts, right? I'm just joking, guys. But we're going to be using some mustard, and we're going to drop in our mustard in our leftover seasoning. Remember that one that we used to season the chicken? Yeah. So our mustard in, we're dropping in some ketchup. As you can see, my ketchup not really work with me because it's a done. But we're going to get some more ketchup and do the thing. After we've added in our ketchup, we're going to add in some honey from the bee. Like it can't come from anywhere else anyways. And we're going to ensure that we mix it up real nice. Hey, mix it up, mix it. Listen, mix it your up. Girl can be a DJ, all right? Let me out, make my boss. But at this point now, you're going to want to taste the sauce because you want to make sure that you like the flavor that you're getting. Mustard is tangy, so you want to make sure that the flavor that you're tasting is what suits you. I needed more sugar, so I added more sugar. I'll try to put the like measurements in the description box below, but as you can see, Jamaican just put a little toops and I eat that. After our sauce is done, we're going to put that aside and we're going to work on other things in our meal. So these, I'm just doing some sides. I had some broccoli that was in the refrigerator for a while, and I had some sweet corn too, so I said I'm going to make some sides of sweet corn, broccoli, or steamed vegetables. Let me see what I do over here. Yeah. I'm over here making some crisp, what is it? Bread pudding. Banana bread or bread pudding. No, not a bread pudding. A banana bread. Banana cake. Banana cake. A banana bread. Yeah. For all those see mommy in the background, I'm making some banana bread over here. So we have 22 minutes on the clock. Finish peeling the potatoes and to clean them up. And let's look at our chicken. See how the chicken look. So yes, you can see the little girl looking pretty good, you know. I'm on my banana bread up at top. I have some sweet corn bubbling up right here. And if you guys want to see how I did my sweet corn, then let me know in the comment section below and I definitely do it. We're going to sauce up our chicken because the 1 hour ended. We're going to sauce it up real nice, mother it on because we want the sauce to go everywhere because the sauce is bomb.com. If you've made any of my videos or recipes, I'd love to see it in my inbox. DM me on Instagram. I'll put my handles in the description box below. If you've been enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see when I post new content. Our sauce is on our chicken and we're going to put it back in the oven for 15 minutes. If you have a broiler, then put it in your oven for 15 minutes. At this time, our chicken was done. Can you see that juicy goodness? Look at that chicken, okay? Listen, this is bomb.com, all right? We are going to, plate up our chicken. So if you want to see how it's plated, then stay tuned for the end of the video. All right, see you guys soon. So we're going to finish up our sides in the meantime. So we have some steamed veg on the back. We have sweet corn up on the front with butter and little sugar. We have mashed potato. Well, the potatoes are boiling. And then we have our rice and peas. Just catch a look pan them cornea or them nice. You add some cheese to the top because it is, listen, this tastes so nice, guys. If you guys are liking the video so far, ensure that you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to be notified when I post new content, and thank you so much for watching today. Look at the plate, okay? Sunday dinner look good. All right, remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.